Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and we are about to unveil the 2020 Lotus Evora GT. Special thanks to Lotus of North Jersey for inviting me to this event. We're going to have a driving video of this car soon, so remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell because you won't want to miss that video. Like and share these videos so our channel can grow, and leave your comment below regarding the Evora GT. Now, if you follow the channel, you know that I used to own a Lotus Exige S, a 2007 model in laser blue, and that was probably one of the most fun cars I've ever owned. We've actually reviewed my friend's car, Lotus Exige S, on the channel. One of my favorite cars that I've ever driven on the channel is my friend's Lotus Evora 400, and what makes the GT so special, it's a lighter, more powerful version of the 400, all new for 2020. And as we're about to unveil it here we go. And here it is, the new Evora GT in this beautiful black metallic. Looks great in this color. The paint really pops. I don't know if I can get close enough here that you could actually see it, but stunning in person. Now, over the Evora 400, it actually has aero. The scoops on this car are all functional. You have Cup 2 tires, AP racing brakes with 4 piston calipers. It's got more power than the Evora 400. It's 416 horsepower instead of 400, 317 foot-pounds of torque. So that drops the 0 to 60 time to 3.8 seconds. Now, as you can see here, this car is a 6-speed manual, and that's how you should get this car. But an automatic is also available. These seats are beautiful, the black with the red accents. I sat in these seats. They are very comfortable and hold you in place for spirited driving. The Evora 400 is a nice place to be. The interior is really nice. And this is a 2+2, so you do have the small back seat. Probably only works for toddlers. I myself would probably use it for extra storage. It's lighter than the Evora 400, so the weight is 3,175 pounds. Here's a better look at the brakes and the Cup 2 tires. Now, the Evora GT and 400 is for the person that loves, I think, the original NSX, but wants the modern version of that car. So the new NSX is all hybrid and all-wheel drive, automatic transmission. This car is like what the new NSX should have been. So here you have 416 horsepower as opposed to 290 on the NSX. You can get a 6-speed manual. It's rear drive. It's mid-engine. So this is really, to me, the new NSX. Now this car, the Evora GT, has a base price of $96,000. The one that you're looking at has a sticker of $103,000. Top speed is 188 miles an hour. Steering is very sharp in this car and very direct. 2.6 turns lock to lock. It also has a limited slip differential. Lightweight forged wheels, and there's a good look at that engine, the supercharged 6-cylinder. You got a trunk as well. Not a big trunk, but it's a functional trunk, bigger than my Exige for sure. And it looks beautiful actually with the hood down because it's glass and you can see it just like a Ferrari. In case you don't know how to spell Lotus, you have LED tail lamps there. And Lotus. So one of my favorite cars, mid-engine, rear drive stick, powerful, now 416 horsepower, plenty of torque. This car really loves to rev. And we're about to play the exhaust clip, so we'll cut to that at the end of the video here. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Special thanks to Lotus North Jersey. And again, they're also an Aston Martin dealer here in Summit, New Jersey. And now here is the sound clip.